Hey everyone, so in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Gmail emails. This is the full guide for 2026, and yeah, it works even if the emails were deleted recently or accidentally. First, open Gmail and go to your trash folder. Deleted emails stay here for up to 30 days, so you can easily restore them. Select the emails you want to recover and click Move to Inbox or another folder. They'll immediately reappear in your account. If you don't see them in Trash, check the All Mail folder. Sometimes emails aren't fully deleted and can still be recovered there. Try searching for the email using keywords, sender, or subject. Gmail search can help locate emails that might be hidden or archived. If it's been more than 30 days, you can try contacting Google Support. Sometimes they can recover permanently deleted emails if requested quickly. After recovering your emails, consider creating backups or enabling Gmail Auto Archive. This helps prevent accidental loss in the future. And yeah, that's how to recover deleted Gmail emails in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.